Koalas are an iconic species living across New South Wales, from the coast and hinterland to inland areas. They are endangered and they need our help. To help protect koalas, we need to better understand where they are, and that's where property owners across New South Wales can help out with some citizen science. Using the I Spy Koala app, property owners across New South Wales can now record any koalas they find. Developed by the New South Wales Government, the I Spy Koala app is helping us to know where koalas live and how the population is going. We use the information we get from I Spy Koala to help make better koala planning and koala conservation decisions. Here I am in some really nice koala habitat, and I've come out first thing in the morning, which is the best time of the day to see koalas. And I've got some binoculars which I can use just to confirm whether or not it's a koala that I see in a tree. The last thing that I've done is that I've downloaded the I Spy Koala app on my phone, because sometimes servers can be a bit patchy, so you want to make sure that it's downloaded before you come out into the field. There's 3 ways to tell if you found a koala, and that's by seeing them, or you can also hear them, and then lastly you can find koala scat or koala poo. Smooth barked eucalypts like this one here are often used by koalas, and you can see there's scratches here which look to be like they are koalas, but you've got to be careful because other animals like goannas or possums can leave these marks. But what you can do to confirm if there's koalas in the area is to look down below the tree for koala scats. Here's some koala scat at the base of this tree, and you can see it's about 3 centimetres long, and it's got a thin brown coating on it. And when you open it up, like this one, you can see there's well digested leaf material and there's no insect or hair remnants. And then when you smell it, it smells like eucalyptus, so it's a koala scat. If you think you found a koala scat, only enter that information if you're 100% sure it's from a koala. Another way to make a koala record into I Spy Koala is to actually see one. So here we are in nice koala habitat, and here's a nice koala tree, and you look up through the branches, see if you can see a large dark mass. And also when you do spot a koala, just look out for any signs of injury or disease, and they might have clogged eyes or red eyes or a wet bottom, or they might be really still and not moving much on the ground. And be sure to immediately contact your local wildlife carer group to report that sick or injured koala. If you hear a koala call, a koala bellow, you can enter that information into the I Spy Koala app. And if you haven't heard one before, it can be a little bit frightening. So when you know you've got a koala on your property, you can now enter that information into the I Spy Koala app. And just remember, if you're in a group, that only one person enters that information so we don't get duplicate records. By entering your koala information into the I Spy Koala app, you're doing your bit to help koalas across New South Wales.